I'm Virginia McGathey here on the floor at the CME Group reporting on the livestock market today. Cattle was higher, sharply higher. Actually, the beef prices are really starting to strengthen that futures market. Finally, we got some good news. The cattle on feed report on Friday, as well as some of the supplies, told us that the cutouts are very, very strong, and it's possibly looking that we're going to have a prolonged upturn in the market. So finally, we're really getting some serious value. Feeders also were on the rise. They were looking ahead because possibly we're going to get that new NAFTA deal. If that happens, that's going to help the beef products and so the feeders and the live cattle market as well. But it's important to know that seasonally the trend looks like it's finally starting to take over the market. We had been waiting because we are on the precipice of the grilling season, and it just had not taken hold into the futures yet. And perhaps today is a little bit of the tell to let us know that the market's starting to move up. Now, interestingly enough, the market did gap higher. Not a lot, but it did a little bit. So technically speaking, maybe we'll have a time where the market will try to fill that gap before it continues to go higher. But it looks really good in spite of the fact that the U.S. dollar index has been screaming today. Now, the hogs, not so much. They really are on the slide. The USDA reported that the new highs for the March production really put a lid on any kind of a market. And I think for production for pork, has been so high, and without any follow through in demand, it's going to be difficult to get this market going. Now, it had the actual market for production, or not for production, for the pork market has been relatively flat. So it hasn't given anyone any reason to step in and say, oh yes, we've got some value here, we want to pick it up. Some of the non-commercial traders were liquidating some of their long position and actually maybe adding and moving it to a net short position. If that happens, we can see that the market being depressed over the next couple of weeks. So we're going to watch that closely. But we're on the right in the springtime here. Grilling season is really at our doorstep. That could definitely turn things around. So we're going to watch that. That's all from the floor at the CME Group here in Chicago. I'm Virginia McGathey.